Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to screen record with your audio on Windows 10 or 11, and today especially Windows 11. And for this we go to our search bar and we search for snipping. Right now we have the snipping tool right here, and maybe you'll recognize this tool because you use this tool on Windows 11 for screenshots with this option. But right now if you click here on this camera, you can see that we can start a video by clicking on that and then now clicking on new. Right now we need to select the piece or the part that we want to record. So let's throw my cursor left in the top to right in the bottom to make a full screen recording. So right now, if we click here on this arrow, we can choose the microphone that we are using. Now we can also click here if you want to record the audio from our screen. And right now, if I click on start, he will count down from 3, 2, 1. And right now we are recording our screen. Now you guys can see it, but right now in the top of our screen we have a pause button and a stop recording button. And if you click now on stop recording, you will see exactly the same with a screenshot in the snipping tool, but right now with a video. Now if you click here on the save icon and we click here on desktop and we do, or call it, video 1, and we click on save. Right now, if you go back to our desktop, you can see it just right here, or video recorded with Windows itself, aka the snipping tool. And this is exactly how you can record your screen with audio on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.